2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, tow hitch. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.